Hi, my name is Videla-Juniel, and I'm the designer for the formal dining room this year at the Pasadena Showcase House of Design. Let me show you what my inspiration for the room was. Since the room is so large, we wanted a wallpaper that had a large scale, and we found this perfect one from Philip Jeffries. It's got this very large scale magnolias and this color scheme that's very neutral, and it gives that very luxurious feel. It's formal, but at the same time not super formal, more of the way that we live nowadays.
Well, this piece is gorgeous too. Tell me about this piece.
This is a buffet. We just love the flexibility of having a piece on legs.
Right.
We didn't want the furniture to come all the way down to the floor. We wanted to keep it airy.
Nice.
But on the other hand, we put skirts on these.
It makes it more formal,
Yes.
you know, to have the skirt, I think. But look at you raised every piece of furniture. And then how wonderful to have a fireplace in the dining room. How many fireplaces are in this home? Do you remember? I'll look that up, but I thought there were, multiple fireplaces.
For sure.
The chandelier.
The chandelier is brand new. It's from Visual Comfort. But then our tabletop is all vintage.
It is.
Yeah, so these are Swedish crystal.
Oh
That's been in my family for generations. And we were so lucky to be able to display here, but everything is vintage. I like that mix of old and new.
I do too.
Because that's how houses are made up of.
And this house is old and now it has new.
It has new, but still a little bit of the old remains.
It's just so elegant. It's so inviting. It's sophisticated. I love the art that you've put in here. This piece right here is so feminine and pretty. And then this just adds a pop of color into the room.
And if you see, the purple goes into the French lilacs that we have in the flower arrangements.
Gorgeous,
so
Maria.
We try to stick to that very...
Yep. You just kept it all together. And purple is such a pretty color. It's a popular color this year. Thank you so
You're
much.
So welcome.
And when do we open to the public?
We open this coming Sunday, the 20th.
Oh, you
Easter
gotta
Day.
come. And then it ends on Mother's Day, right?
The 18th.
The 18th.
Is that
Okay, so a
Mother's
little
Day?
after Mother's
May
Day.
the 18th.
Perfect.
Yes. So
all right.
you have a full
Buy
month
your
to come and
tickets.
visit us.
Yeah, buy your tickets and just walk in the front door and head to the dining room. Thank you so much.
Thank you.